Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change work location on Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application, and right here we have places, so here's the work, and you need to, if you press and hold on it, we have edit details, but right here we cannot change the address. We can change some information about it, the name, the person or something else, but not the name. To change the location for the work, we should remove the old work first and then add it again. So tap at the profile icon at the right side, then move to the places, click at the saved places, and right here press and hold, delete from places, and delete. Now we can close these windows. We need to return at the main feed, and right here now it asks me to add work. So let's do this. Tap on it, and right here write your new location. Let's say this one. Now we change it, so we need to apply it. Click at the check mark at the right top, and we have new location. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!